Yeah, not that good anyways.
The following is a special presentation of HBO's Sports of the 20th Century.
They talk about it every day, somewhere. If I go to a foreign country, magic, what magic? It's the same everywhere.
We don't have to see each other.
Can you see it?
We don't have to say hello.
Can you tell?
We don't have to call each other.
That's my main competition. It's always been like that.
You know you got this tight bond with this cat, and you don't have to see him for a year or two. But you're always gonna be linked to him.
We got this connection. It's never going to be broken. I mean, right to our graves. They'll be talking about this 100 years from now.